Okay, fine.
Started, हाँ?
It started.
Yeah.
अच्छा अच्छा, वो थोड़ा सा ये वाला चला गया थोड़ा सा. Okay, yes. Go
Yeah.
ahead.
Okay, fine. So I think you might have known this dialogue from Rocky movie. Actually, I put this in the image, right? So I really don't know whether I have watched that movie or not, but I have seen that scene multiple times. So you can see that what he told actually, you, me, or nobody is not gonna hit as hard as life. Definitely, life hits you massively. So, but it's not about how hard you hit it, and it's about how hard you get it and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. It's the biggest dialogue I have seen, and right now we are facing the same situation also, because we always think bigger goals. We always thought that I need to wake up at 5 a.m. I need to brush my teeth. I have to sit pranayams and do all these things. But again, life will definitely hit you. Life will tell you, "Arey, okay, at 5:15, just sleep 10 minutes. It's okay, fine." So after I have woke up, I have seen the time is it's already 5:30. Then I will realize I come back and I'll sit in the poster. I'll do all the things. It's not only to me, I feel it's for everybody, I think so. So definitely life give these actions to you, and we are going to accept that, guys. Not only in the morning meditation, if you want to do any of the actions, any of the homework you need to do in the life transformation, is somebody can't do that, somebody feel lazy, it's okay, fine, not at all a problem. Life definitely gets hit you, but we are going to take that, guys, definitely. So it's okay, fine, life has given you, we are going to take that. And with all the knowledge I have, with the recent past, and with the empowering beliefs, I am going to hit the life as hard as again. Again, it hits me, again
क्या
I
बात,
take, again I go back.
क्या बात.
Definitely I
Very
will be
good.
in the track.
Yes,
So
one
that's
line is there like it's not how hard you fall, but how faster you get up,
Yes,
get back.
yes, yes. Yeah, guys,
Okay,
that is
continue.
life. That is
yeah,
life,
that's
guys.
it, life.
Yes, yes.
So
Even the Johnny Depp, one of the famous dialogue is, the problem is not a problem. The problem is your attitude towards the problem.
Mahesh, can you add her? Uh-huh.
yeah, I have heard.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, yes, yes. So true, man.
Yeah,
So true.
yeah. So it's not like till now we have not joined some of the classes. I am bored with this. Okay, I have not joined the classes. Why do I continue? It's not like that. Definitely, we still have seen the failures and all. And again, we are going to take that. We are going to, with empowering belief, empowering energy, and we are going to hit you back again. Definitely, it's not the end.
Yes,
It's
yes,
the new
yes.
section we are going to start. It's the new one, new beginnings we are going to start.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Very good.
And
Very good to know that, Mahesh.
one
Yes.
thing I would like to add here,
Uh-huh.
sir, like
Mm-hmm.
whenever we are talking about you, it's our gratitude towards you. So
Thanks,
this is
man.
our major part actually. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, please allow us to talk about you.
अरे अरे करो करो यार करो, ऐसे कौन मना किया है? स्पेशल सेशन लगाएंगे अपन करने के लिए. Yeah.
but
And it feels good also the when I know कि and when I see कि you guys are actually applying all these things, getting the results. The point is I knew कि why once somebody applies na, then people will get results. My pain point was कि people are not applying. Even though life transformation we speak कि भाई कल आओ ये वो, people will drop off, and then I feel like why do they don't want to become successful? I feel bad about that part because I know कि करोगे तो हो जाएगा, but why are people not ready to do it? It's like day by day push तो है ना, but that's the scary thing for me still. Even for season
it's
5 now I will be like why people drop off. It's a problem for them.
it's a normal thing. See, you can't expect the people. 80%, 20% ratio will always be there. 80% people
Yeah,
will
yeah,
be
yeah.
80%.
Right,
You,
right.
you should not be discouraged from
Correct.
them,
No,
and
no,
even
no.
you should become the source of motivation for them first of
Yeah.
all.
Nice. So that's where
They will
actually I
get
just build it
inspired.
up like season by season karenge, okay? Because if somebody has the spark, maybe not today, maybe tomorrow he'll come back. And that's where it's happening in rotation. And there are a lot of people then who are piggybacking and following up again. So it's going good. Yeah. Let's see.
Because I was also discouraged because of this, because 80%, 20% ratio will always be there. You cannot push them
Yeah,
all,
man.
and you have to become that much inspired, then only you can do the stuff. See,
Yes,
the Ria,
yes,
who is posting lots of video,
Mm-hmm.
her fluency is too good nowadays. So like, she become inspiration, one kind of, okay, I have to keep the video, I have to learn from her video how exactly I can speak. I have seen Sogandhika also doing Mahesh too fluency. You see, total natural kind of stuff. In case of Mahesh,
Arey,
you
no
may observe
natural error.
he's behaving like
All
a
the points here.
professional.
Get that.
Nah, you're doing good. Very good, very good.
Yeah.
So
So
I
means I have seen Mahesh is totally natural kind of means a professional, cool, calm.
लकी ने ना ग्रेटिट्यूड को पर्सनली ले लिया है पीपल.
भाई
So-
टॉनिक ले लिया है टॉनिक.
काम कर
Tonic.
रही है ना, काम कर रही है.
ओके
भाई
ओके ओके.
फ्राइडे सैटरडे नाइट.
हाँ. अच्छा साले हाँ बस कर आशीष मिसिंग दोस डेज हाँ. ओके क्या महेश मूविंग ऑन यस.
So it's a new beginning. Actually, 21 days completed. Again, we are going the new session. So this time we are going to hit back. And right now,
Yes.
Tausif told he has some pain points that people are not changing. So this time we won't make him like this. Definitely.
अरे नहीं अरे यार कर लोगे.
Okay, fine.
It just happens. Okay? Yeah, just keep the momentum going. Do it till this become permanent, and that's it. I think once that checkpoint is done, उसके बाद तो yeah, you guys will definitely rule your lives.
Yeah,
But make it a
definitely.
permanent habit. मतलब इतने effort के बाद don't get back. That's very scary. Okay?
Yes,
Good
yes,
stuff,
yes.
good
That's
stuff, good
one
stuff.
of the point actually, because
Yes.
we have tried, we have failed, we have seen success also, and came at this point, but we are not going back from this part. Definitely,
Yes.
we are moving forward only. We are not.
Awesome.
Okay.
Very good.
So-
Very good. Very good.
So that's
Yes,
what
yes,
is one. We are going to definitely hit back with enhanced energy, enhanced beliefs, and all. We are going to take the massive action of that.
Awesome. Very good.
So-
Very good.
Definitely.
Yeah.
see, hello.
Yep.
There,
Rahul.
yeah. There are two types of person. One is the person with discipline, and the one is person with regret. So, and the difference between both is the person who is disciplined, he did all the work, and then he go for, if he have time free, then he go for entertainment or anything else. But the person with regret, who did first his entertainment and all these things, and rest of life he is regretting that I had time but I didn't do anything. So we have to become person of discipline, and when we discipline, automatically maturity will come.
Awesome. So good, Rahul. Very nice
yeah.
covered, man. Yeah.
I want to tell something about Mahesh. Actually, I Mahesh's voice is so sweet. I think I love to listen his voice. Like his
अरे बाप रे
explanation
बाप.
is- yeah, actually, first time when
first time
when I see him, I like not from his face, like his voice is so sweet, kind of thing. But his after I listen him, his voice is so sweet and so calm to listen to the ear, and his explanation are so good. So yeah, pretty good.
Actually, bhai, I have more words to say, but still due to time stamp period, na, I am not speaking anything because once I started, na,
5 मिनट के लिए बोलो. नहीं guys, देखो, what I am thinking is कि we will not have the impact of मतलब ये बाकी का affect the entertainment and last वाला. Speak Sang for 5 minutes. उसके बाद we'll be ending this Zoom call and we'll launch a final 40 minutes वाला Zoom, which is just going to be songs and मस्ती वाला mode, and then we'll just end the day. ठीक है? Because इसकी वजह से let's not squeeze in there. तो शैंक अगर कुछ बोलना है तो 2-5 मिनट के अंदर summarize it and then we'll be turning this off.
actually, bhai, I'm talking about those season 4 people. I was so unlucky to attend season 4 due to some circumstances. But I want to speak about the girls part, means the season 4 girls. Their voice have some power, because when they are speak now, means in the video or anything, because in the goal session or everything, they are pointing, means like they are very straightforward, means they are very consistent, means they know how to get that particular thing. Okay. Means some power is there, means like what Sai Rosa means and Sogandhika and what Ria, Vishakha, their voices means like I'm fan of their voice, and I really need when I got some time, I'll watch their videos. And coming up to voice part, they are so calm nature, and when they are speaking about their goals and talking about, like especially Mahesh and Lucky, they are like Sai Roja, means when they speak na, they are like, you have to understand those words, means there are no problem, there is no issue when you heard something from them. means those so soothing voice they have got, and they are really utilizing those voices. Actually, the textures are so very good. That's it, and they're really very means they're going very well, means really well. And I was commenting in group, means then I thought ki if the people will be thinking this person is not coming online any day, and now he's commenting now. So I thought ki no, let it be. I will be joining season 5. So that's it, bhai. This is what,
Okay,
and all the
thanks for
very
sharing.
best to season 4 people who are
Thanks.
going very well.
So
Yes,
fine,
Thanks.
fine. Yeah.
Okay.
So a lot
Okay,
of
guys,
comments
so
I
let-
got. Thank you about that. So finally we are
Hey,
going to the
thanks,
thank you. So first thing I need to
Yeah.
thank you is Tausif, and we know that so implementation is very tough. So Tausif has given one of the platform to implement our ideas, goals, and our he has changed the entire thing. Tausif, we all combinedly saying that thank you. I know thank you is a very small word to you, but right now that's all we have, and we are going to
my
say
pleasure,
thank you.
man. Yes,
So
pleasure.
everybody in the team, actually Sony, Ria, Sairoja, me, myself, Mahesh, Vishaka, Subhas, Anvesh, Lucky, Lakshman, Sandeep, Saurabh, Karthik, Rasi, Akshay, Manisha, Kanish, Supriya, Shank, Rahul, Oshi, Rajesh, Sumant, Sneha, Pooja, Goodly, everybody with
Yeah,
names I'm telling you. It's thank you so much. You have contributed very well done actually. You have given
Good
lot
stuff,
of
guys.
support, right? You have given lot of support, and because of this community, we have done the things also that previously we didn't do. Because
Yes,
alone
true.
this is a very difficult task. Getting up at 5 a.m. doing the meditation in the consistent basis. We have the community, and that's why we did it. So each and
Yes,
every member with
yes.
names, I'm saying it's thank you from all of you. Surely this is the thank you message. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
So,
Mahesh, for saying all that. Means a lot.
and
Yes, everybody, seriously.
so last point, I need to tell one thing. We have made some of the video actually. Right now, I just want to play that. Okay.
क्या बात है?
Okay, sure,
Fine.
sure.
So he's Tausif.
Oh,
So don't
अरे,
think somebody. Okay. So
ये कहाँ पे था? ये मेरे फेसबुक पे है क्या?
Sony has done this. So entire credit goes to Sony.
Yes, from Facebook I got, yes.
Okay. यार ऑफिस में बंदों ने निकाला था.
So I just putting this. Whether everyone.
Okay.
Why is
Hey, one thing I want to be
yeah.
clear, actually, some of the other names I couldn't add. I couldn't find their pictures. I'm so sorry for them. I'll get their pics also, and I will add them again, and I'll make one more video for them. That's all.
Sony,
Let's get
close it
started.
today itself. Okay, to do it today itself so that we
Yes,
can publish
yes.
these things. Okay.
Yes, sure.
so?
Chalo,
I'm going to
Mahesh.
play this. It's just like 2 minutes. Just enjoy it. Have fun of this.
Okay. Sound है क्या?
Is sound?
No, sound is not coming. No.
Okay.
ये कब की फोटो है भैया?
One.
देखना पड़ेगा यार.
I think sound is not.
ये तो आप हामिद जैसे लग रहे हैं.
भाई का भी स्वाग है भाई.
अरे साले क्या हल्के में नहीं है क्या?
Increase volume in your lappy.
1 minute. Is sound coming right now?
No.
No.
Okay, then I need to do.
Actually, you remove your microphone.
You can share in the.
I have removed my
Yeah,
mic.
just try remove. remove. अच्छा, you have removed it also क्या? नहीं, okay. You remove the microphone, and in your, I think, microphone setting na it said.
No. I played in my phone actually.
अरे Sony, don't do that, man.
Okay. We visualize
No. I was checking whether I added music or not.
Visualization.
Sorry.
Okay. Mahesh, you play the.
Mahesh, you play video.
You play the music.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
Yeah.
that's right.
Fine.
Sync up, guys. Both on 0. Okay.
Yes.
Saugandhika and
Wait, Sony.
Hey, Root Saugandhika.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, and just counting 3, 2, 1, go. So you just start the.
Wait, okay.
You
On
just
go, you
Okay,
are
fine.
to start. Okay, on go. Yeah,
Okay.
Mahesh, drive it.
on
Yeah,
go.
Mahesh.
3, 2, 1, go.
की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। उड़ जाए लेके खुशी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ, जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ, आशा आशा
That's it, guys.
So good.
Arey, that's
Arey,
great. So good.
Arey,
Thank you.
bhai,
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
sir.
you.
To add one thing.
Thank you. Thank you.
I want to add one thing.
Okay, first I wanna make.
Hello. अरे सुनो सुनो
First I will
अरे,
make host Tausif, then we can talk. Make host.
I
Yes.
got my new name. I got my new title. Malhopatra. Malhopatra.
I thought actually. I thought actually, but I didn't have time to edit.
अरे नहीं, I thought it's Malhotra. Then I thought कि अरे नहीं नहीं ये Malhopatra है.
अरे guys, that was really awesome यार, मजा आया.
Yeah, bhai.
Great effort,
Thank you.
great effort for going this way.
I think
Yeah.
I
Means a lot.
want upload my some more photos.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes, yes. We want Supriya's.
No, Kanish,
pic
Kanish, you are
also,
back end people. You are
Sneha.
not front end people. Remember.
अरे नहीं यार, हद है यार, ये वाला
So
नहीं
whoever
था.
are the people now who are still pending and all, तो एक बार just reach out to them and yeah, let's just launch it. उसके बाद फिर इसको अपन live करते हैं. Okay, good stuff guys, good stuff. तो चलो let's close on this. एक और video
Yeah.
last launch करेंगे of the fun and masti mode. We'll start with whatever is the plan with the Dhamal team. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you everybody for your time. Lovely people.
Thanks,
Thank you Mahesh
everyone.
and everybody. Sairoja, Sony, Muskan. It was awesome time. Seriously, guys. मजा आया. Bye bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.